I'm Nick from Jordanbikes and welcome to another of our videos. Today we are selling this Yamaha MT-07. These are a fantastic two-cylinder engine, loads of torque, loads of punch, not too much power, but a really good bike for a first bike or for commuting on. Just so easy to handle, so easy to ride, real comfortable riding position. This one is a 2017 plate. It was new in June of 17. It's a one owner bike and it's done 6,375 miles. It's got a full service history as well, comprehensive service history with this one. Really clean bike. It's got a tail tidy fitted. Other than that, I think it's pretty much standard. We're going to be giving it a fresh service and a new front tyre because the front tyre is a little bit stepped, a little bit squared. Digital dash there, look, with a digigear indicator, so really easy to read. I'll start it up so you can have a little listen as well. There you go, fantastic bike and a whole lot cheaper than a new one. So if you fancy it, give us a call or pop in, we will happily take your money. Cheers. I am Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.